What's the meaning of adsorb? Adsorb. 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 The term adsorb refers to the process of attracting and retaining molecules or particles on the surface of a solid or liquid material. In this process, the adsorbate, the substance being adsorbed, forms a thin film on the adsorbent, the material that attracts and retains the adsorbate. The resulting effect is that the concentration of the adsorbate in the surrounding environment is reduced. Adsorption is commonly used in industrial processes such as water treatment, gas purification, and catalysis. It is also a crucial process in many natural phenomena, including plant growth and the removal of pollutants from soil.